to Fin Fun Fam. Today we are gonna do a Christmas calendar. Yay! Make sure your parents help you with this project. This is what you're gonna need: a sewing kit and scissors and a ruler and some chalk, felt paper, and a red string, and more felt paper. Let's begin!
Okay, so now we're going to do the tree. Let's start with the tree.
So here's the this part.
All right, so now we have to make a Christmas tree out of this felt paper.
Yeah,
So
and then we will do the tree trunk.
Exactly. All right, so first, so now what I'm gonna do is what or no?
That's it.
That's it, like up to here, yeah?
Yeah, up to there. That's a good thing.
Okay, good. So now I'm gonna cut the tree.
Only adults can do these.
Yeah, have an adult cut this for you. Okay, so now we have a cute little tree. We have our Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Ta-da-da.
Now it's time to do the squares.
So
the
now
tree
we're gonna
trunk.
do the tree trunk.
This is how it's gonna be, right?
You want it that big?
Yeah.
Or do you want it like
Man, that looks
This?
weird.
Like this?
Like that.
Okay, so we're gonna cut a little piece so it's not so big. All right, so we found double-sided tape. Let's see if this will work.
Sorry.
Give it a shot.
I gave my microphone.
Okay, so we're gonna.
Can I peel it, Mommy?
Yeah, can you cut it for me? Perfect. And now, can you try and peel it for me? Okay. Put the bottom on top of it. Okay, can you press it down? Good. Okay, let's see. Very good. It worked. Perfect.
Yes. Now
Okay.
let's do our squares.
Let's do our squares.
I'm
Okay.
gonna do red.
Oh, let's do the star.
Oh yeah.
So
La, la, la.
I just made, I don't know if you can see that. I made a star. We're just gonna cut it.
Can
And
I
then
cut it?
Rafika's gonna
Stick it.
stick it onto the tree. So we need these two sides. And it's gonna go just like that, right on top. Okay?
Could you put on the tape and I'll take it off? Yeah.
So we're gonna put
One.
one right there. Right here.
The other part.
Oh. Okay, so now we made the star. We're gonna put it just like this.
Okay.
Put the double-sided tape on the back. If you peel off this one. Good.
Nice.
Got a little crazy. All right, so now
I'm gonna put it on.
Yes, make sure you put it on right here. Good.
Yeah.
Yay!
Now let's see it on the back. Oh, it's barely on.
Here. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Now we got a cute little tree. Yeah? Okay, now we have to do some squares. So we're gonna do from number 1 to number 25 because Christmas is on the 25th of December.
Wonderful.
Okay, so we are going to use
These colors.
the red and white one for the little pocket squares.
I'm gonna do red.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make some squares and we'll be right back. I'm gonna do 2 here in green for 24, 25. So put the green.
Okay. Should I stick it on?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Just assemble it so we know where we're gonna put it.
Do you see this, guys? Good. Now should we stick it? Should we stick it now?
I need it. That.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're like little gifts.
But we need them to be numbered.
Yeah, we'll put the numbers in there. All right. So for 24, 25, we're gonna do like cute little gifts. So those you can glue. So put tape on this side and tape on this side. Put it?
Yes, I did. This is my present so far.
For our little Christmas stuff, ooh, I need to make like a little bow.
Right? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. All right, so I kind of used some
Double-sided tape.
some red ribbon, and I just made a little bow.
I'm making a bow.
And I am, okay, cool, very nice. And I'm just gonna cut the ends and do it like that, and then I'm gonna attach it to middle. Actually, maybe up here. What do you think? Should I put it up there? Should I put it in the middle?
You should put it in the middle.
Okay.
Could you make one for me too?
Sure. So we're just gonna cut some string. Just make it a little long so it's easier to manage. And then I'm just gonna fold on one side, then fold the other end. So like 2 little bunny ears, and then just go through the loop. I tried. Not perfect. Okay, do this one too. Oh, actually, you don't need it. Right here.
Ooh, thank you.
Put it on the bow. Okay, here you go. You can put it on the gift.
Okay. On my gift. I'm gonna put.
Okay, put it right here. Perfect.
Okay.
Nice. So now we have 2 little gifts.
Here's my gift and here's Mommy's.
Perfect. So this is going to be for the day 25. Okay, for this part, it's up to you guys if you want to tape them down.
Or sew it.
Or you can sew it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a combination of both. I'm going to attach these squares to each other by sewing them and their connecting points. And then we're going to just glue them onto the actual tree. Okay, so I'm just going to do the quick little sewing and then we'll get back to the gluing part. Okay. Okay guys, so basically I sewed these 2 pieces together with some red thread, very tiny if you can tell. Then basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some tape around the edges. So down the middle and right across and up the sides, and then we're just gonna glue them to the pieces right here. So we're gonna just take the double-sided tape. Good, okay. And then this, and then basically, if you can kind of tell, there's gonna be that little pocket. So when you put your little dangly string that we're gonna attach, it's gonna be a little candy cane. You can just put it right here, and then the number is gonna be right on top of these squares. Basically, we're gonna attach it. We're gonna finish up the rest, then we're gonna show you the final product.
So this is how you're gonna do it. This opens like this.
Yep, and it becomes like a little pocket.
Yeah, and we're gonna do the same as the other ones, so.
Hey guys, alright, so this is our finished product. I actually ended up sewing all the squares to the actual tree. Just made it look actually cuter and it held much better. Hope you enjoy.